Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Excel has so many functions available out of the box. If you go look at the built-in functions here under the All category, you can scroll for a very long time to get through the full list of things that you've got available. But you might sometimes find yourself using custom calculations over and over, and it would be nice to have a built-in function for those that you can use just like the regular ones. Well, you're in luck. That's where the lambda function comes in. This lets you define a custom function using whatever math you need, and then you can use the function over and over, just like the built-in functions. So in this demo, we're going to create a function to convert the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's get started by coming up to the Formulas tab here on the ribbon and Name Manager. Here's where we define a new function. So we'll say New, and I'll enter the name to Celsius. And comment is just a brief description of what the function does. So I'll say convert a Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius, and then refers to, this is going to be the math or the formula. Now I have figured this one out ahead of time. You'll want to test out your formula to make sure it's accurate and works, but let me just fill this one in. And that's basically it. I'll click OK, and then close. Now I can use that custom formula or function just like I would any of the built-in functions. So here in column B, I'll say equals. Then I can start typing in Celsius. You'll see it pulls up to Celsius. And then the parameter it wants, this is what we defined, is a temperature, a Fahrenheit temperature. So we're just going to select where that is, which will be in cell A2. Closing parenthesis, and there's the Celsius temperature for the Fahrenheit of 104. And then just like other formulas, you can just drag this down, and that will fill in the other temperatures. So pretty handy if you find yourself doing these custom calculations over and over. If you want to learn more about the Lambda function, I'll include this link below in the video description. But this is out on Microsoft's site. Just gives you a little bit more information about the Lambda function, and then several examples down here that you can work with for inspiration and how-tos on your own functions. So short and sweet video today, but I hope that was helpful. If you have any of your own Lambda functions that you built, feel free to drop those in the comments, and maybe other people can leverage what you've done. Thanks so much for watching.